Dictionary is a collection which is unordered. The values of a dictionary can be any Python data type. So dictionaries are unordered key-value pairs. Changeable, that its values can be modified later. Dictionary data structures store values in the key-value pair and they are written within curly brackets. Instead of indexing, key is used to access the value, just like as you search the meaning of a word by searching the word first. As dictionaries are referenced by key, they have very fast lookups. As they are primarily used for referencing items by key, they are not sorted. Dictionary does not support duplicate keys. However, more than one value can correspond to a single key using a list. Here is the syntax of declaring a dictionary. The dict variable key value pair separated by a colon enclosed in a curly bracket. Dictionary data structure is not indexed by a number. Instead, you can have an index of words, and for each word, you have a corresponding definition or a value. As they are mutable, you can add, remove, and modify values in a dictionary. You can access individual elements using indexing technique or can iterate through each element using different methods. If you wish to print just keys, you can iterate through dict.key method. For values, only use dict.value method. To access each item one by one with both key and value, use method dict.item. You can take user input to store values against predefined keys of a dictionary. I will teach you the coding example present here one by one. Here is one more example of storing and printing data for your practice. In this lesson, you learned about how to create, modify, and delete a dictionary and perform operations over it. The key to success is practice, so enjoy coding. You can create an empty dictionary or provide a dictionary with key-value pairs. Let me show you both ways to you. Here, I'm typing D and assigning an empty dictionary to it. The curly braces is a representation of the dictionary. In the next line, I'm calling type function. Now, run the code. The output cell shows empty dictionary with type representing dictionary. Next, I'm going to create a dictionary with key-value pairs. Let me call it mobile with keys, brand, model, and price. Now, I'm going to assign key-value pairs to it. The value assigned to brand is Samsung. See, the key and value are separated with a colon. To another key-value pair, type model. As both my keys and values are of string data type, so I have enclosed it in double quotes. You can use single quotes as well. Let me show you an example of it. Type mobile and pass any key in square brackets that you wish to access. See brand. Samsung is mapped to brand. Similarly, you can also access the model and price. You can assign multiple values in a list to the key. Price is a single key but holding two values using list. See the square brackets in which numbers are enclosed? Let's access the key price using the get method. Elements can be accessed using get method and dictionary. Let me call the get method. The get method inputs key, say price, and returns its value in the output. The output shows the list of price 550 that you can access elements of the dictionary using square brackets as well as the get method. Iterating over dictionary is pretty simple using for loop. Here, I am using a for loop and printing both keys and values of my dictionary. Here, X is used to print keys and square brackets are used to access the value of a key. The same thing can be done by using the items function. This function retrieves keys and values simultaneously from a dictionary. Here, I am using two variables in a for loop, one for key and the other for value. See the output cell? You can print either keys or values depending on the scenario. Values method can be used to iterate over only the values as expected. Then we have keys method, which only returns keys of a dictionary. Both functions are already implemented here. You just need to have a look at it. To check the existence of a key or value, use membership operator in, along with calling the appropriate dictionary method. Here, the program searches for brand in the key list of dictionary. If it is there, then it prints yes. Otherwise, print a sentence, no, model is not listed in the keys of mobile dictionary. To find the length of a dictionary, use len method as used with the other data types. Here the length of the dictionary is 3, as we have 3 key value pairs. You can take user input here as well as discussed in the last lecture. The result shows an add key value pair. You can remove item from it by passing key to pop method. Here, I'm removing model from dictionary using pop method. See the output cell? To remove last inserted item, we have a method called popItem. To delete a whole dictionary, use del method. Press enter and a mobile dictionary is no longer in the memory. But if you want to clear a dictionary without removing its reference in the memory, use clear method instead of del method, as it removes the reference of the object from the memory too. You can copy one dictionary into another using built-in copy method. A lot of methods are the same for these advanced data types. You can play with them. Now, I am creating a dictionary with keys, company name, age, and net worth with 0 and empty values. Print the dictionary. I am going to take user inputs to fill the values in my dictionary. Access each key and pass value to it using input function. Type company and then assign value using input function. Do the same for the remaining 2 keys as well. Now run the code and pass values one by one. For company, I'm entering Google. For age, enter 22. For net worth, enter $280 billion. Now print your dictionary to see the effect. All user inputs should now be a part of the dictionary user_dict.